Definition: often called mono or kissing disease, an infection with the Epstein-Barr virus.
Before starting this video, अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन पाएं।
Assalamu alaikum, my amazing YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fit and fine. Lot to say, lot to see. पर सबसे ज़रूरी बात, prevention is better than cure. And speaking about myself, alhamdulillah, everything just fine. प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने वायरल इन्फेक्शन को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, बट आज के वीडियो में वायरल इन्फेक्शन का हम डिटेल स्टडी करेंगे अलॉन्ग विद सिम्टम्स एंड ट्रीटमेंट। जो फर्स्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है या जिनका ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है इस चैनल पे, वो ऊपर जाके अभी जो लिंक आया है उस पर क्लिक करके फर्स्ट पार्ट को देख लें, फिर ये सेकंड पार्ट देखें। इस तरह से आपको वायरल इन्फेक्शन समझने में ज़्यादा आसानी होगी। टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोना एक्सप्लेन अबाउट डिजीज, देयर क्लिनिकल फीचर्स, मैनेजमेंट, ट्रीटमेंट एंड प्रिकॉशन।
Influenza.
Definition: a highly contagious viral infection of the respiratory passage. Clinical features: fever, chill, muscle ache, running nose, fatigue. Management: rest, drink lots of fluid, eat light diet, stay home. Treatment: oseltamivir, phosphate, zanamivir, peramivir, bolaxavir. Precaution: droplets precaution from the suspected person.
Common cold.
Definition: a common viral infection of the nose and throat. Clinical features: sneezing, loss of smell, redness. Management: stay hydrated, rest, soothe a sore throat, combat stiffening, sip warm liquid. Treatment: non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, analgesic, antihistamine, cough medicine. Precaution: droplet precaution from suspected person, hand wash, avoid closeness.
Measles.
Definition: a viral infection that's serious for small children but easy prevented by vaccine. Clinical features: fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, running nose, sneezing, swollen lymph node, skin rash, Koplik's spot. Management: there is no management for this disease. Treatment: there is no treatment for the measles. Once a person is infected, the virus must run its course, usually 10 to 14 days. Precaution: airborne precaution.
Chicken pox.
Definition: a high contagious viral infection which causes an itchy, blister-like rash on the skin. Clinical features: scab, ulcers, red spots, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, headache, itching, or sore throat. Management: there is no management for this disease. Treatment usually involve relief symptoms, although the high-risk group may receive antiviral medicine. Precaution: chickenpox can be prevented by vaccine.
Norovirus.
Definition: any virus, single-stranded RNA virus, including the Norwalk virus and closely related virus. Clinical features: diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, stomach pain. Management: drink plenty of liquid, getting lots of bed rest. Treatment. There is no treatment to cure, but you can take steps to ease symptoms while the virus runs its course. Precaution. Airborne and droplets precaution.
Polio.
Definition. A high contagious virus that may cause paralysis. Clinical features: fatigue, feeling faint, fever, muscles weakness, loss of muscles, headache, nausea, slow growth. Management. There is no management for this disease. Treatment. Treatment include bed rest, pain relievers, and portable ventilators. Precaution. Vaccination till 5 years.
Infectious mononucleosis.
Definition. Often called mono or kissing disease, an infection with the Epstein-Barr virus. Clinical features: fatigue, fever, rashes, swollen gland, swollen tonsil, headache or nausea. Management. There is no management for this disease. Treatment: rest, fluid and over-the-counter pain, fever-reducing medicine to ease symptoms. Precaution: droplets, and avoid kissing to suspected person.
Herpes simplex.
Definition: a virus causing contagious cold sore, most often around the mouth or on the genital area. Clinical feature in male: itching and pain in genital area, flu-like symptoms, body pain, fever, swollen limb. In female: pain and tenderness in genital area, small red bumps, teeny white blisters. Management: an antiviral cream, ointment can be relieve the burning and itching sensation. Treatment: treatment may include antiviral medications such as acyclovir or valacyclovir. Precaution: avoid skin touching.
Human papillomavirus.
Definition: an infection that causes warts in the various parts of the body, depend on the strain. Clinical features: does not develop any symptom but still infect others through sexual contact. Management: there is no management for this disease. Treatment: there is no cure for this virus but itself. Precaution: get vaccine of HPV, human papillomavirus.
Rubella.
Definition: a contagious viral infection preventable by vaccine and best known by its distinct red rashes. Clinical features: fever, enlarged neck lymph node, eyes redness, headache, red rashes and running nose. Management: complete bed rest. Treatment: there is no treatment other than vaccine, analgesic and medication. Precaution: airborne droplets.
HIV.
Definition: HIV causes AIDS that interfere with the body ability to fight infection. Clinical features: pain in abdomen, pain in swallowing, dry cough, fatigue, fever, loss appetite, night sweats, ulcer, white tongue opportunistic infection, red blotches, severe unintentional weight loss. Management, restore and prevent immunology dysfunction. Treatment, currently there is no treatment for HIV/AIDS. Precaution, use fresh needles for every purpose. Use fresh blades for every purpose. Use condom during intercourse.
Viral hepatitis.
Definition: infection that cause liver inflammation and damage. Clinical features: fatigue, nausea, abdominal pain, dark urine, loss of appetite, low-grade fever, yellow skin and eyes. Management: there is no management for this disease. Treatment depend upon the types of hepatitis, and if you want to know their types and treatment, then go to my social handle. Post will be update about this. Precaution: enteric precaution.
West Nile virus.
Definition: West Nile is a mosquito-borne disease. Clinical features: severe illness, high fever, headache, neck stiffness, stupor, disorientation, vision loss, paralysis. Management: antiemetic therapy, rehydration. Treatment: there is no specific treatment for West Nile virus. Precaution: get WNVL, West Nile virus vaccine.
Rabies.
Definition: a deadly virus is spread to people from the saliva of infected animals. Clinical features: pain in muscles, dizziness, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, delirium, fear, hallucination, paralysis with weakness of muscles, sensitivity to light, drooling, salivation, coma. Management: there is no management for this disease. Treatment: get rabies vaccination. Precaution: visit veterinarian with your pets.
Ebola.
Definition: a virus that causes severe bleeding, organ failure and lead to death. Clinical features: pain in abdomen, pain in chest, pain in joint, pain in muscles. Chill, dehydration, fatigue, sweating, coughing of blood, eyes redness, mental confusion, sore throat. Management: oxygen therapy. Treatment: get vaccine, Ervebo. Precaution from getting contact with blood or any body fluid. The topic viral infections ends here. Now we will meet in next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. अगर आज का वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें. अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें. इट्स शो टाइम.